معاهم امشي معاهم يالا الله.
Well, here I have got a document which shows quite clearly that the confession was taken from my son and therefore from everybody else under duress and under threat of torture. On the page of 70, 60, 51, 85, 64 and 48 of my son's confession, he inserted the word of lies inside his signature to show that everything which has been taken out was lies. And on page 60, 68, 70, 84 and 80 of his confession, he has inserted a word of hurt to show that he was tortured. Now, I don't know how can public prosecutor say that this confession was signed knowingly. Comparing this signature with his normal signature, anybody could see that he tried to get across that this confession was totally false and was taken from him under pressure and torture. The public prosecutor threatened him that unless he signed this confession, he was going to send him back to the torture place. And he cannot now refute that.
There is no evidence at all against the three British men. The only evidence against them is these confessions. We now have unequivocal proof that the confessions were obtained under duress and under torture. As there is no evidence against the men need to be released straight away and sent back home to the families. The Egyptian government and the state prosecutor have made a terrible mistake. They can correct that mistake by releasing the men now. What we're concerned about is they're compounding their mistake by continuing to detain them and having this farce of a trial. This is in breach of Egyptian's own very important law. Egypt has a proud history of being the custodians of law and justice.